How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that you will land to your profile. After you land to your profile, over here you're gonna find three dots. Tap on it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on turn on. Tap on continue. Finish setting up your profile. Now you have to complete these processes. Connect with your audience. Review privacy settings. Establish your presence. After you complete all these processes, you will be good to go. And then you can head back to your profile and refresh it. And with that, you're gonna see this option of profile digital creator. This is how you can easily put digital creator on Facebook profile. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.